Hey, what's up everybody? So we are in a very special place today, and before we even get started, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell and leave a comment in the comment section. Today we have something pretty cool and exciting. We're going to be working on a Citation jet. So I'm going to show you the before, then I'm going to show you the after, and then I have a special treat for y'all. We're going to be doing a walk around on something that's right over here. I'm going to kind of give you a little sneak peek. You see that right there? That is a Ford GT. And we're going to give you a walk around of that after we're done with the plane.